What's up everyone? So today we're going to make a special omelette. Oh my god, the thought of it only makes my mouth full of water. Like, look at this. So amazing. So I can't wait to cook it with you guys. It was so delicious. So I don't even know. So welcome in Mino's kitchen first of all. And then today we're going to make this omelette you see here. It's so delicious. Please try to believe me, cause this thing, oh my god, so delicious. I would encourage you guys could take like for breakfast. Man, unanahajisha. You can even eat it for lunch, but this is not going to be the only lunch you're going to take, you know, right? But this thing is so delicious. This is what this omelette did to me. So here is how it looked like. If you're enjoying the view, if you're enjoying what you see, come with me in the kitchen and cook it with me. This is so delicious. Oh my god. Welcome in the Mino's kitchen. Welcome back. This is Mino's kitchen, as I told you before, and here we are going to prepare this special omelette you just saw. Nimba wakunze ibyo wabonye ngwino ufatanye nanjye kuwuteka. So ahangaha mbere na mbere ufite imiteja yawe. It depends. Like umureti wawe urifuza kungana gute, umureti wawe urifuza ko abarimo ibintu bingana gute. Hari abantu badakunda ibintu by'ibirungo byinshi, hari abantu badakunda extra, I don't know how to say this. What is that? I don't know. But ukabukunda nyine something simple, you know. You don't have to put a lot. Iyi miteja ubonye ari myinshi wayigabanya wowe ugashyiramo iyo ushaka ku rugero wifuza. Hano rero tuba dufite imiteja yacu, ukayikatamo uduce uko ubyifuza. Hari umuntu udakunda kurya umuteja abona awubona wose uko ungana, hari n'ubwo tifuza kutubona ari dutoya abishaka kubirya ari binini. For me, this is the size I prefer. So wamara kudukata neza ugashyira ku ruhande, hanyuma ugafata, njyewe I even used a red onion. You know, nimba usanzwe uzi guteka special, umureti special usanzwe, you know what I'm talking about. But if not, we are here to teach you as well. So ugafata cya gitunguru cyawe ukagikata nacyo, ukagikata neza, ukamakinga sure ko uri bugende ukata udupande duto. For me it was like twari duto, but I was like I want it extra small, so nongera kongera kubikata nanone. So I like it when it have a lot of onion in it, so that's why nakoresheje igitunguru cyose. Gusa ubishaka wanakoresha igice cy'igitunguru, that's okay. Do it the way it suits you, anything you want. So na measurements zirimo, gusa make sure like nimba uzamuye ibipimo by'imiteja cyangwa by'ibitunguru cyangwa iby'ibindi bintu turi bushyiremo, make sure kuri buzamure n'ibipimo by'amagi, otherwise urarya imboga tudafitemo amagi. Kandi here our purpose ni ugukora special omelette. So here we go. Hanyuma ugafata green pepper cyangwa se poivro. Ugafata poivro yawe ukayitunganya neza. Hari abantu abonye we bakunda guteka poivro harimo iki kiboro cy'imbere. For me, I don't like it. I just move it. Hanyuma nkayoza neza, nkayitunganya, narangiza nkayikata neza nayo mu duce dutoya. Nabwiye ibintu biteka uko ubikunze, cause like you are the one to eat it. So nimba ukunda poivro harimo kiriya kiboro cy'imbere, keep them in. If you don't, it's fine. Just do it the way you like it. Hanyuma warangiza ugafata poivro zawe ukazikata mo uduce dutoya. dutoya on the size that you prefer. This is me cutting them, and as you see, hanyuma ukazikata neza zose. I'm trying to take things so slowly ku buryo you're not going to be like I rushed anything. No. Njye rero nakoresheje poivro yose, imwe yose, ndayikata yose ndayikoresha. Hanyuma, for the people who doesn't like it, it's fine. You can do that. So I'm trying to take these things so slowly. Ariko nimboga narangiye ndateka nihutishamo gake. Pavuro yawe yose wamara kuyikata nayo ukayishyira ku ruhande. These are some of the ingredients I'm going to use. Murazibona zose ukuntu zimeze. Hanyuma I even want to put in karoti. Karoti, they are good, you know. A healthy breakfast. Heavy and healthy. Is it heavy? I don't even know. It's not heavy. Because for me, I can eat this and add something else. Anywho, ufata karoti zawe ukazikata ukoresheje uko ubishaka. Aka niko kamanyeri njye numvaga nshaka gukoresha. It look different, you know. Aka design ni sawa. Ujya urya ibiryo birimo design. So I wanted to put in these things like karoti ibikase gutya, and it took me a while though. Ubona bitari udafite uyu mwanya wose wowe wazikata bisanzwe, it's totally fine. I told you, muri kino gikoni, do what you please as long as you're going to learn how to cook. So for me, nkuko niko nakase karoti zanjye zose, maze kuzikata nazo nzishyira ku ruhande. As you see it, they looked so good. Hanyuma murabona ibingibi, these are some of the ingredients I'm going to use. Karoti, imiteja, ibitunguru, na poivro. Hama I even used tomatoes. Inyanya ukazifata ukazikata neza uko ubikunze. Ariko you have to remember that you have to cut them into small pieces. Otherwise urabona umureti ubone n'urunyanya rungana n'umusozi. Cyangwa se ubone umureti ubone n'umuteja ungana n'umusozi. So be considerate. Nubwo hano ari guteka as you please, but be considerate like what you're going to cook and if you would really enjoy it. So ngizi nyanya ndazikase nkatamo the long pieces and the small pieces kugira ngo nyine tube duto uko mbishaka. Hanyuma inyanya zanjye, if you like, uzikata uzishyira mu kandi kantu. Ako for me mvaga nshaka kubanza kuzikata zose. Hanyuma this is me cutting them. Nakoresheje inyanya ebyiri gusa. So for you too, I told you, nushaka kongera ibipimo by'ibyo nakoresheje nawe ukoreshe, ubwo urongera n'amagi kugira ngo nyine hatagira ikimira ikindi. You get? So tukata inyanya as you see it, all of them in the small pieces. Ariko abantu, I don't see the people telling me that you people are trying this. Let me know. Are you trying to cook them? Mubitese byagenze bite? Did you enjoy it? I want the tea. Please give me the tea. What happened? So ngizi nyanya, ngizi poivro, ngizi karoti, imiteja, and then mfata n'amavuta ku ruhande nyashyiramo. Ndi kubereka ibintu byose ngiye gukoresha, dore n'amagi ngiye gukoresha ngaya. Hanyuma ufata ya mavuta washyize mu okay, for me it's just that I wanted to show you this, but for you you don't have to put it on the side. Ushaka wayakura mu kintu arimo itusuka mu ipanu yawe. For me nashaka kubanza kuri njyewe nashaka kubanza kubereka all the ingredients, that's why nabanje kwashyira muri kariya kantu. Otherwise wabanza wayasuka mu ipanu yawe ukwari. Hanyuma ukahita ufata ya miteja yawe. Imiteja ni ikomeye muri bino bintu byose twamaze gukata, hagati y'ibitunguru, poivro, inyanya na karoti. Imiteja na karoti nibyo bintu bikomera. So urabanza ugashyiramo imiteja yawe ikamera nk'ishya mu gake, apana ngo ishye kwa kundi wahita uyarura. Ukayishyiramo nyine akabanza akamaramo akanya gato. For me nandi gukoresha umuriro muke utari mwinshi cyane. Ukayishyiramo nyine akabanza akamaramo akanya gato. For me nandi gukoresha umuriro muke utari mwinshi cyane. Don't burn it, utazabishiririza. Hanyuma wabona imiteja, hanyuma ugafata hashize akanya gato ugashyiramo za karote zawe, ukazireka nazo zikabanza zikamera nk'izorohamo. I told you ko imiteja na karoti ari byo bintu nyine biba bimeze nk'ibikomeye muri ingredients twari twateguye. So urabanza ukabireka bikamera nk'ibishyaho gato ariko bidahiye neza. Hanyuma ugahita ushyiramo bya bitunguru byawe hamwe na poivro yawe, ukabishyira nabyo mu ipanu, and you mix them, ukareka ukumva impumuro. You get like ibiryo like umuhumuro w'ibiryo uragukurura ukumva ugize apeti. You get, don't just be like nabishyizemo, you don't smell anything, you see. So urabanza ukabishyiramo rero ukumva agahumuro is different, like kari kuza is different. So this is it. Aka niko gahumuro nababwiraga. Ibitunguru bimeze nk'aho bitangiye gushya ariko bitarashya neza. Imiteja nayo itangiye gushya ariko itarashya, I mean imiteja imeze nk'iri gushya ariko nayo itarashya neza. Karoti the same na poivro the same. Hanyuma warangiza ukabipanga neza ku isahane yawe, I mean ku ipanu yawe. Hanyuma ugafata ya magi ari ku ruhande. For me I'm using the ordinary 4 eggs. Ku bantu bongereye ibipimo by'ibintu bakase like poivre, I mean imiteja, karoti, ku bantu babyongereye remember to kongera n'amagi cyangwa se bitewe n'ibipimo mwakoresheje. Hanyuma hano mfite ibitunguru by'amababi. I don't know how to call them in English, but you guys you know. Ibitunguru by'amababi ubishyiramo muri ya magi yawe umaze gukubita, hanyuma ukabivanga neza bikavangika. Warangiza wamara kubikubita neza bimaze kuvangika, you see like this, ukamakinga sure ko byivanze neza. Kuvangika ukamakinga sure ko byivanze neza. I told you, apart from y'umuhumuro n'ukuntu ibintu bigaragara, it's going to matter in eating. Hanyuma ukahita ufata na za nyanya zawe wari wakase ku ruhande ukazishyira muri ya magi wari uri gukubita. Impamvu nazishyizemo hariya, I wanted it to mix so well. So warangiza ukazishyiramo nazo ugakubitana bikivanga neza fresh byose. Byamara kumera nka kuriya mwari mubibonye, dore izi ni za mboga turazitaga hari imboga, you know. Mwibuke gushyiramo umunyu. Mwibuke gushyiramo umunyu, mutazarya ibiryo mwibagiwe gushyiramo umunyu. So wamara gushyiramo wamara gushyiramo umunyu ukavanga neza za mboga zawe ukazitegura. Ubu ngubu ziba ziri ready yuko washyiramo ya magi wakubise ku ruhande, hanyuma ya magi yacu ari ku ruhande nayo ukibuka gushyiramo umunyu, ariko ndabasabye mutazategura inkware ku meza ya boss. Ibintu byo gushyiramo umunyu mwinshi ujye ushyiramo umunyu nyine uringaniye bitewe n'igipimo ukunda. Hari abantu bakunda kurya umunyu mwinshi, hari abantu badakunda umunyu mwinshi, hari n'abantu badakunda umunyu at all. So mwese we understand you. So ushyiramo umunyu hano naho warangiza ukabivanga neza bikivanga fresh. Wamara kubikubita neza, see this is how it look like, and ugafata za mboga zawe ukazirambura neza ku ipanu ku buryo nta mwanya usigara nta mboga zirimo. I'm calling them veggies because like you see they are veggies. Hanyuma ugafata wa mureti wawe wavanze wakubise n'inyanya ni na puwaro, is it puwaro, bya bitunguru by'amababi, hanyuma ugasukamo. Hari umuntu rero uba ushaka ko amagi ari bubemo menshi. If you want that, wongeremo amagi, wongera amagi nyine abe menshi. For me it look like veggies, you see they look like veggies. So here you go. Ugapfundikira for a little bit. Nimba usanzwe uzi guteka umureti ibi bizakorohera, but if you don't, it's fine, it's fine, it's so fine. So for me ntabwo nzi guflippinga kwa kundi tu we flipping, I can't risk it. So hanyuma wakumva hasi umureti wawe utakiri gufata mu ipanu ukahita ufata iyindi sahane ukabihindukiza, ariko ku muntu uzi guflippinga it's okay, you can do that as well. So wamara gushyiramo umunyu ukavanga neza za mboga zawe ukazitegura. Ubu ngubu ziba ziri ready yuko washyiramo ya magi wakubise ku ruhande, hanyuma ya magi yacu ari ku ruhande nayo ukibuka gushyiramo umunyu, ariko ndabasabye mutazategura inkware ku meza ya boss. Ibintu byo gushyiramo umunyu mwinshi ujye ushyiramo umunyu nyine uringaniye bitewe n'igipimo ukunda. Hari abantu bakunda kurya umunyu mwinshi, hari abantu badakunda umunyu mwinshi, hari n'abantu badakunda umunyu at all. So mwese we understand you. So ushyiramo umunyu hano naho warangiza ukabivanga neza bikivanga fresh. Wamara kubikubita neza, see this is how it look like, and ugafata za mboga zawe ukazirambura neza ku ipanu ku buryo nta mwanya usigara nta mboga zirimo. I'm calling them veggies because like you see they are veggies. Hanyuma ugafata wa mureti wawe wavanze wakubise n'inyanya ni na puwaro, is it puwaro, bya bitunguru by'amababi, hanyuma ugasukamo. Hari umuntu rero uba ushaka ko amagi ari bubemo menshi. If you want that, wongeremo amagi, wongera amagi nyine abe menshi. For me it look like veggies, you see they look like veggies. So here you go. Ugapfundikira for a little bit. Nimba usanzwe uzi guteka umureti ibi bizakorohera, but if you don't, it's fine, it's fine, it's so fine. So for me ntabwo nzi guflippinga kwa kundi tu we flipping, I can't risk it. So hanyuma wakumva hasi umureti wawe utakiri gufata mu ipanu ukahita ufata iyindi sahane ukabihindukiza, ariko ku muntu uzi guflippinga it's okay, you can do that as well. Warangiza ugahindura ku rundi ruhande naho kugira ngo hashye. Hanyuma kubera ko hano harimo imboga, don't rush it otherwise urarya imboga zidahiye. Ugapfundikira akanya gato kugira ngo bibanze bifate kandi nazo zishye neza. So this is the other side yari imaze gushya, and then it's ready to serve. Nguyu mureti wanjye ukuntu umeze. Uyu mureti wawe urya ugiye mu kazi, uyu mureti wawe urya ubyutse like for the breakfast, like you're going to stay home or whatever. Uyu mureti wanjye urya saa sita urya nimugoroba. So here is how it is. Here's how it look like, and here is how delicious it is. our vegetable omelette, special omelette is here. Murabona urasa neza, uroroshye kandi nta nubwo twari igihe kinini. Nuko ngiye nagiye ibintu byose mbitwara gahoro kugira ngo for you guys to see everything how it is and wagwan. So nguyu umureti wacu kuno umeze imbere n'inyuma. I hope you're going to try it, and let me know in the comment if you did try that, and please let me know for real. I want to know the experience. Let me know. So here is the bite. So delicious. Urasa neza.